Everyone, welcome to Shikshanave Shakti Sparda Creative Coaching Center, Shimoga. Today we are going to learn or discuss about the chapter called equations. So in this, students, if I just divide a term, I will get a thing called equal. What is the meaning of this equal? And how do we represent this as equal? We represent this as like this sign. This means equal. For example, if two statements or any algebraic expressions, if we are using, it should be equal. Done? If two statements in a expression should be equal. I'll explain you with an example. For example, see here, I'll be taking here 5 plus 1 is equal to 7 minus 1. You have two statements, here is one and this is one. This we can take as LHS and RHS. That means left hand side and the right hand side. So this both LHS and RHS should be what? Should be equal. Done? So now you take 5 plus 1, 6, 7 minus 1, 6. Can you see the difference, students? Do you have any difference? No. See, these both the terms are equal. Hence it is called as what? Equations. Equations are the statements that you need to get it as what? Equal. Done? This is the first concept. Students, we have provided you the notes. In that all the things have been come across. Please go through with this. Now I am going to solve the answer or the solution for these questions. So in your notebook, please take the notebook, open it and just see. First heading, write the following statement in the form of equations. Means, they will give an equation, they will give a kind of a statement. You are going to write it in the equations. I have given you the example, right? That kind of a thing. For this you have to write it in the statement. Let us see first question. Sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. Before that, what is sum? Sum is nothing but addition. What is difference? Difference is nothing but subtraction. What is product? Product is multiplication. By is division. These things you have to know. Okay? Yes. So now the sum of 3 numbers is x. Or you can take it as this one. We don't know the number. We shall take this answer. Let the number be x. Now 3 times the number, in the sense 3x. 3 times the number 3x. The sum in the sense plus, I have said you, right? Plus with that 11 is in the sense equal to 32. See, this is your expression or an equation. We have taken this statement and we have converted into the equation. Okay, students? Yes. Coming up for the second question. If you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7. Do you have any number, students? No, we have to take any number. You can take either x, you can take y, you can take z, no problem. We shall take the number. Let the number be what? X. You just take the number be x. Now, if you subtract 5 from 6 times the number, 6 times a number, so you will take it as 6x. What you will take now? If you subtract 5 from 6 times the number, many of your students, you will take it as like this, 5 minus 6x. This is wrong. This is wrong. What you have to take? The from word, you will take it as first, that is 6x minus 5 is how much to get 7. So this is your what? Equation. Okay. So this what? This 6x should come first and this should come next. So these all your second problem which is there in your notebook. Let's continue with the third problem, students. So the third problem, what they have given, 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. Here we don't know the number, we will take the number as what? Let the number be x. 1/3 of a number in the sense 1/3. 2/3 of a number is 2/3. Like that it continues. Okay. So 1/3 of a number is x plus, they have given directly, plus 5 is 8. This is your equation. See, 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. Done? Yes. Now fourth problem, the sum of a numbers, that is x and 4 is 9. Sum in the sense plus, which one? X plus 4 is 9. See here, the sum of a number x and 4 is equal to 9. This was your sum now. Coming up for the fifth problem, 2 subtracted from y is 8. Students, I want to tell you one thing. You need to take this from as first. This you have to take as first. Then this 2, what you will get? Subtracted in the sense minus, that is subtraction. 2 is nothing but what? 8. So y is to be subtracted and you will get as what? 8. So these was your 5 problems. Now students, let us solve the different concept. I will tell you one thing. See here, you have equals and you have plus here. When this plus, when it is comes to this side, it becomes minus. When this plus, when it comes to the right hand side of the equals, it becomes minus because its sign get changes. When minus, when it comes to this side, it becomes plus. The same way, if you take multiplication, that is into multiplication, if you just take to this side, it becomes division. The same way, if the division comes to this side, it becomes multiplication. This is very important, students. Please remember this in your mind. We shall solve this problem with respect to these conditions. What we have studied this condition, we are going to solve the problems. That is equations we are going to solve. In other words, we are going to get the value of x. We are finding out the value of x. Done? Yes. So what is this x, students? Here before that we shall study what is this x and what are these 3 and 7. This x is a variable and this 3 and 7 you can take it as a constants. Done? Yes. Now you are going to find out the value of a variable, that is x. So we'll keep x as it is, then we'll keep 7 as it is. With this x we have plus 3, right? We have plus 3. Now we need to get the value of only x. We have what? Plus 3. What we are going to do, I will show you in the next step. See, is equal to 7. This plus 3 will come to this side and this plus will become what? Minus. So it is 7 minus 3. So x is equal to 7 minus 3, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. So I want to tell you one more thing, students, the fundamental operation I am going to tell you. Now we shall study its fundamental operations. This you know might be, say, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, plus, minus into minus. Sorry students, I have written it as plus. So minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus, plus into plus is plus. How do you remember this, students? The easiest method is, see, here you have different sign, plus minus different, minus plus different. So for different sign you are going to do subtraction. Then here you have the same sign, minus minus, plus plus, same sign. Here you are going to do plus. In different sign you are going to do minus. I will show you an example, and one more thing I have here. See, here I will show you. So you have plus 3 plus 8 minus 3. Plus into minus, you will do subtraction, that is minus. 8 minus 3, 5. But while writing the sign, you are going to see the sign of a bigger number. Which is bigger? 8 is bigger or 3 is bigger? 8 is bigger. What is the sign of this? Is nothing but plus. Done? Yes. Now you take the same thing. You take minus 9 and you take plus 5. Minus 9 plus 5. So minus into plus is what? Different sign, minus. So 9 minus 5, 4. 4. Which is the bigger number? 9 is the bigger number. What is the sign of this? Minus. You will be having in doubt, sir, we have done 4 here, subtraction. Why you have written minus, sir, here? Why you know? Because we are going to write the sign of a bigger number. Which is bigger? 9 is bigger. What is the sign of this? Minus. Hence I have written it as minus. That is in addition and subtraction. But while doing multiplication and division, we are supposed to do the direct thing. For example, I will show you. See here, plus 3 into minus 2. 3 2s are 6. Now direct solving, plus into minus, minus. This is in what? Multiplication. The same way you will get in division. Now students, we have our next problems. Second problem, m minus 2 is equal to 5. What I am going to do? I am going to write it one more time in the answer. Okay. Now I will keep m also as it is, this 5 also as it is. Why? I want the answer of m, that is variable. With this m, what is there here? We have minus 2. What this minus 2, where it will go? It will go to this side. If it goes to that side, what it does? It becomes minus 2, it becomes as plus 2. So m is equal to 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. Did you understand? We have been found out the value of m. Yes. Coming up for this is a little different question. We have, see here, we have 3a plus 5 is equal to 26. The same thing we will do. First, I want to keep this 3a as it is, then 26 also as it is. This 5, I am going to transfer it to that side. It becomes minus 5. So now 3a, 26 minus 5 is what? 21. Now see here students, You will be having doubts, sir, how to do this, sir? What you will do now? What you have here, 3 into a. 3a is nothing but 3 into a. In between you have multiplication sign. In between you have multiplication sign, that is equal to 21. That is equal to 21. Now you will keep a also as it is, 21 also as it is. I have said you, when the multiplication sign, if it goes to that side, it becomes division. This becomes division. Again, some might be having doubt, sir, why does it comes to denominator, sir? Why it won't come here, sir? Why? You know, in between you have multiplication. Done. If this multiplication goes to this side, it becomes what? Division. So now divide out. So 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Some students, what they will do, some students will take some other table here, some other table here. No, it is wrong. You are going to divide it only one table. That is, you have to take 3 itself. So 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So what is the value of A? A is equal to 7. A is equal to 7. Coming up for your fourth problem, you have 15 minus 3p is equal to 6. See this problem, this is also little different. So 15 minus 3p is equal to 6. Now minus 3p, I'll write it as it is equal to 6. This 15, if I transfer it to that side, it becomes minus 15. You would have been asked me, sir, here we don't have anything. How you have taken minus, sir? It resembles that a number does not have anything. It indicates it has plus sign. See, we don't have anything to this. It is indicated that it has got plus sign. If this plus sign goes to that side, it becomes what? This becomes minus 15. Done? Yes. Now minus 3p is equal to 6 minus 15 is what? 9. Now here you have bigger number as minus, bigger number as minus. See, bigger number 15 minus, I'll write it as what? Minus sign. Done? Yes. Now here students, see, you can you see now. So minus 3, I don't have anything, indicates multiplication is equal to minus 9. Done? Now p, I'll keep it as it is. This multiplication, if it goes to that, it becomes division. Minus 9 by minus 3. First, this minus cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So now if you have what? 1 in the denominator, the number what you will get in the numerator is the answer. That is 1 3s are 3 itself. So p is equal to 3. So these are your solution for this. Students, till now I have solved many problems related to the topic of equation. In the next class, I am going to solve the questions that will come in Navodaya entrance exam. Okay, I'll make you so simple. Now if you are finding out these videos difficult, please watch the video for 2 to 3 times so that you will get confirm or perfect. If you like the video or if you like my teaching, please do like my video. Thank you.